Well, hi, folks. It's me, Steve Irwin. We are over here looking for the natural crocodile. Now, what you have to do with the crocodiles, you have to sneak up on them in order to get onto their backs. And that's what we are going to do today. So, I'm going to get close to the water. I think I see one over here. Nope. Just a fucking buoy. Damn. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, mates. That might be the elusive loon. I'm not quite sure. Could be a marlin. But it's... Oh, no. It could be a loon. I don't know. Let's look further. That is... Oh... You guys are witnessing a loon, which is the indigenous bird here. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. I'm so excited to show you guys the natural habitat of the loon. Maybe he'll make a noise for us. I guess not. Okay, back to the crocodiles. Now, they like to stay in areas like this here, and then they'll come up and sneak up on you. So you gotta be very, very careful when dealing with these toothy critters. Look how beautiful it is out here. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning. Now that would be a very bad day for me. Or struck by anything. Is that too soon? I'm sorry. Oh, God. I tried. I just couldn't do it anymore. It's too funny. What's up, y'all? Good morning. I'm about to hit the shoreline. And then there's a bay back there that I'm about to hit. And let's see if we can't catch us some fat girls. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Just strap in. Put on your seatbelt. You ain't never seen a ride like this before. You know? If you know, you know. If you don't, I'm sorry. Let's go, baby. Have a good day, y'all. I'll try to do the same.